Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, this video is about my recent Target purchases. So I'm sure you've heard of Jenee Taylor. She just had this amazing collection at Target that I think was launched a couple weeks ago. I didn't have an opportunity to go in the store, but I did get to buy a couple things on the website. So I have my items here, and I'm gonna do a quick trial haul and let you know my thoughts. See you in a second. All right, so my first item is this cute linen dress. I want to say it came in this cute black and cream stripe. It also came in like a solid black. So I got this in a size 6, and I'm gonna try this on and let you know what I think. Yes. Okay, what do we think about this dress? As you can tell, I absolutely love this dress. This size 6, perfect fit, okay? I'm loving the material. I love this linen. It's not too thin. It's not see-through at all. I love the black stripes on here. It just gives me a nice summery vibe, like a nice neutral type of look. You know, I'm liking that. I'm loving how the straps are kind of off to the side and they're thick. That's super cute. I love like this corset drop waist type, this corset drop waist type of vibe going around here. It's like nice and fitted. It flares out. And then around the bust line, you have this cute little gathered type of effect around the edge. And there is underwire in the cuff area. Okay, it zips on the side, and there is like, you know, some ruching and stretch back here. Okay, so super cute. I can see myself wearing this out. I mean, I kind of want to keep it on for the day, to be honest with you. But yeah, I mean, I paired it with my cute little straw bag and some clear heels, and I could just step out, you know. So anyway, this is my first piece. And let me tell you, your girl Jenee, she nailed it. I would say 10 out of 10 for this look right here. Now I kind of wish I would have got the black as well, but they didn't have my size in the black. They only had my size in this. And I definitely would not want to go down in this. The 6, I think, is the perfect fit for me. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, okay? So let's go on to my second item. All right, so y'all, my second item is, let me get this scissor. All right, the second item is the infamous denim dress that I've seen, okay? It looks so cute on the ladies I've seen it on so far. I also got it in a size 6, okay? So hopefully it will fit as well as this one did. So let me try it on and I'll get back to you. Okay, y'all, this is look number 2. Okay, don't we like this? Yes. Okay, this dress hits me mid-calf, and let me tell you, this is a very supple, a very heavy type denim. Like, this is not like that flimsy, you know, material. This is a nice, thick denim. Like, I am really impressed with the quality, okay? I love, you have like the gold buttons coming down the front. I love that. This has that drop waist type of effect, and it is kind of tight on me in the center, which I like that. I love when it's tight here and it kind of flares out. Gives you like a more feminine, dainty type of look, right? I love my cute little belt. I got it tied off to the side. And yeah, I mean, it does have pockets. Okay, I didn't know that. Got pockets and everything. That's cute. Yeah, and then in the back, you know, it's just a nice look, okay? I love the collared neckline here. It's kind of an exaggerated collar, and I just like it. I love how the cut of the openings of the top is too for the sleeve. I like that as well. It kind of gives you more of a structured look up here. So I mean, it's a 10 out of 10 for me. You know, I love it. The size 6 fit me perfectly. So I know a lot of ladies are saying that they had to go up in some of the pieces, but so far for me, my size 6s have been spot on, okay? And this is a 10 out of 10 if I forgot to mention it. So I'm loving both of my items. I'm gonna run by this Target here where I live to see if I can find anything that might be in the store. A lot of stuff online is sold out, but there may be a few things I might can find in the store, I don't know. But if I don't find anything else, I am satisfied with the 2 things that I've got because those are most things I wanted. I definitely wanted those. Those are my must-have pieces, right? So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed my little trial video. Congrats to Miss Jenee Taylor on her collaboration. That is so awesome. I had to support. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.